A small live demonstration of the new machine.
Through the sliding door, you have a good access to the cutting chamber. The machine can be operated manually via the joystick for simple cutting tasks, as well as automatically programmed. This machine has an optional centrifugal separator, which is fully controlled by the software. There is the possibility to resharpen a diamond wheel via the dressing device. The cleaning hose is now integrated into the cutting chamber so that the machine is always clean from outside. Via the side valve you can decide whether the water shall come through the cleaning hose or the beam cooling. The recirculation unit is located under the machine. It is equipped with two pumps, one for cooling and one for automatic cleaning. The filter bag is now arranged in the front for direct access, and the new indicator always shows the fill level directly. In the following, I want to cut this cylindrical component. As clamping device, I will use a Q-tool 40 together with an easy plate S. With the easy plate S, you have the advantage to do easy clamping and movements on the table. I start with zeroing the axis. Afterwards, I define a rotational speed for the cutting disc, a suitable speed and feed rate, together with a maximum motor load at which the machine automatically controls the feed. You have several options for cutting programs. For this example, I will use a travel cut. In the advanced options, I select the cooling and the automatic cleaning. I also want the machine to move back to the start position after finishing the cut and the centrifugal separator to clean the air. In addition, I select the automatic component detection. Here I can define at which speed the part is approached. With the auto stop function, there are additional settings with which I can set at which machine load the process is declared as finished, which is useful for very soft materials, and how long after exit detection the machine continues to run. Afterwards, I start the process. The machine approaches the component at high speed, detects the component, and reduces the speed to the defined cutting feed rate. It can happen that you have started the cutting process with too high feed rates. To correct this, there is now the panic button. Each press of the button reduces the feed rate by 50%. After the feed rate has been reduced in this way, the desired feed rate can be corrected. So no more hectic clicking is necessary. After the component has been cut, the cleaning function automatically starts to minimize the annoying cleaning effort. The sample can now be removed from the collection basket.
It has never been so easy to do precision cutting as it is now with the QCAN 200.